There it is. Breathe. Yes, sir. That was awesome. Get our hip first, and let's have you flip to our side. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Breathe. Yeah, that was amazing. Lay on your back here, so your face up. Need that. How many years has it been? 7 or 8 years?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's been a minute or two.
For sure.
Let your leg kind of drop down here.
So, it's a lot of money invested into that.
So this is going to be our hip here. So yeah, try to let your whole leg just kind of sink to the floor. There it is. And then we're going to get our left ankle, knee, hip as well. And then if you can, let's just kind of drop. There it is.